The next section is amenities. I'm gonna fill this out really quickly and we'll skip that part and I'll go to the important amenities that you should pay attention to. So I have filled out this section. Since I'm actually setting up a real listing, I'll go down through the amenities quickly and I will walk you through some of the important parts. The main ones that are up here in the first section. So as you can see, the main section here is almost fully filled out. Then you have a bathroom. You should also try to fill out bathroom to the best of your ability. Make sure that you highlight all the amenities that are present in your bathroom. Then there you have a bedroom and laundry. This is the next section. Um, then entertainment. The only entertainment that we have is the TV at this point. Then there's a family. We don't really have too many things going on for children, unfortunately. We should add board games. That's nice to add that. Heating and cooling is an important section. So I should highlight what kind of, you have a AC and then a heater. Home safety. Again, this is important section. You should not leave this blank. It actually asks you about this when you are setting up your listing initially. So make sure it's filled out correctly. We need to add first aid kit to this apartment. Internet and office. So this is a very important section. Make sure you fill this out. So you have to have a dedicated workspace and Wi-Fi. This is one of the most important things. So if you add details, it tells you that you can actually test the speed of your Wi-Fi. You need Airbnb application on your phone. So you would download Airbnb application on your phone and then you go into settings, find a Wi-Fi and you within the amenities and you speed test it. And then the speed of your Wi-Fi will show up on your listing. I encourage you to speed test it, the Wi-Fi first. You don't want lower numbers to be showing on your listing. So if your Wi-Fi is a little bit slower, just don't do it. But in general, my advice to you would be to actually speed up your Wi-Fi to a good place where a person can comfortably use it for work, minimum of 30 or 40 megabytes per second. Or if you can do 100, 200, 300, then it's even better. And then add that to your listing if you have a good speedy internet. The next thing is kitchen. So you want to highlight all the amenities that you have in your kitchen. And then location features. If you have beach or lake access, you should highlight that in this section. Outdoors. If you have a balcony, highlight it in here. Parking, you should tell them about the parking. This is important. In most countries, people care about the parking. And then service. Allow the long-term stays down here. This is amenities. Obviously, this is for the specific apartment. In your case, it will be completely different. But make sure you go through the list and you check every box. And if you don't have it, don't check anything and just leave it blank. Or if you know that for sure you will never have it, then you can set it to no. Again, important pieces are, I would say, Wi-Fi. So download app on your phone, go and test your Wi-Fi speed, and it will automatically be added to your listing. After amenities, we have a location. I actually have to fix the location on this listing. It's not done properly, so I have to talk to the support. If your address cannot be looked up on Airbnb, you have to talk to support. They're usually pretty quick to respond, and you have to fix your address. Next thing is neighborhood description. We have this in our Excel listing description file, so we will copy it from there. Again, next thing is getting around. Once again, we already have this information ready. So we'll just copy and paste here. Once again, I'm doing it in 3 different languages. You don't have to worry about 3 different languages. Most cases, English is sufficient. So next thing is location. We've already done this one, setting up the listing. Scenic views. In the city, you will have a courtyard view and a city skyline view. Next, we are going to talk about properties and rules. This is a very important section, and here is why. Currently, this is how our listing looks. This is still work in progress, but we are slowly but surely making the progress. So here you can see that after the description, it jumps right to amenities. Here you can see a finished listing, right? With all the emojis, nice emojis that highlight all the different informations. Here you can see that after the description, there's a where you will sleep section. And then there comes amenities. This where you will sleep section is set up under properties and rooms section of the listing details. So now we're gonna go ahead and set this up. The important one is the rooms and spaces. This apartment has one bedroom, one full bathroom, full kitchen, living room, laundry room. It doesn't have a laundry room. Laundry is inside the bathroom, and exterior. This is pretty good. Let's look at all the other spaces. Half bath, kitchen, dining area. Yeah, we can add the dining area as well. That's fine. Okay, so now we have all these descriptions of the spaces that are in the apartment. If any of the spaces are shared with others, then you can highlight it here, or if there is a private attached bathroom, you can highlight it here. Otherwise, we will just edit rooms and spaces, and then we'll go to the next. So now you can add a photo to each one of them. So all the bedroom photos will be assigned to the bedroom. All the bathroom photos will be assigned to the bathroom. Full kitchen. So all the kitchen photos will be assigned to the kitchen. Living room. So we will consider this to be a living room, which it is. This is the dining area. We don't have exteriors, but I'll add the exteriors later. So next thing, we will add the sleeping arrangements. So bedroom has one queen bed, and then living room has another one sofa bed. So I've edited that here. So I will say done. And after I'm done with this, if I refresh my listing, it should show me sleeping arrangements. So here we go. Now we can see nicely a bedroom and living room. If you press into it, you can get straight into bedroom photos. So yeah, this is how it works. And I will encourage you to use this section wisely. So once again, you add rooms and spaces, and then in each room you assign the photos, and then you assign sleeping arrangements into each room, and it nicely organizes everything for you. I see lots of even superhosts of many years who don't utilize this section. This looks much nicer. It really helps the guest navigate the apartment a little bit better. So I'll encourage you to use this. That's all for this video. I think in the next one we'll talk about the policies and rules and info for guests.